A very happy morning to my cute little children. So kids, here we are with science. And our today's topic is first aid. Oh ma'am, what is first aid? Children, first aid is the immediate medical help which we provide to a person who is injured before the actual medical treatment. This is known as first aid. Okay, so shall we begin our class? Yes. So children, now we will see how to provide first aid in case of fracture. Fracture. Now, what is fracture? Fracture क्या होता है? आपने ये टर्म सुना होगा ना, fracture. See, can you see? This is a boy and he fell down. See the bone. Can you see? जो bone है वो टूट गई है. So what is fracture? Fracture is breaking of bone and it is very painful and very dangerous. So how to provide first aid? See, we should provide a splint. What is a splint? Splint provides support to the bone, to the hand. That is known as splint. We can use wood, we can use cardboard, we can use a pillow. Okay, all these things you will find in your surroundings. A book, a cardboard or a pillow. Keep it here for the support. Then what we will do? Splint is used for the support. Then the second one is sling. Can you see a small cloth is tied? A sling is tied from here. It slings the hand. Okay. It also provides the support. It is an elastic cloth. Okay. The hand rests on the sling so that the movement of hand does not happen a lot. Suppose if the fracture occurs on leg, then how we will provide the first aid? See, we will put a splint here. Can you see this portion? This is splint, like this. And then we will tie a cloth like this. Okay, this is how we provide first aid in case of fracture. Second is sprain. What is sprain? Sprain is, हिंदी में हम उसको कहते हैं हमें मोच आ गई. Okay. While playing, your ankle or your wrist get twisted and it causes swelling in that area and pain also. So what you will do? First thing, you will apply ice. अब बर्फ लगाओगे. बर्फ से क्या होगा? The swelling will be reduced. And second thing is that you will apply pain relieving ointments. कुछ क्रीम्स आती है जिससे हमारा दर्द कम हो जाता है. You will apply that. And third thing is, see, you will apply this elastic bandage over that area. This is the first aid for sprain. The third one is burns. Burns are very dangerous, children. First one, minor burns. Minor burns. Keep the burnt area under cool running water for some time. Minor burns यानी कि थोड़ा सा अगर हमें कुछ जल जाता है तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना चाहिए? ठंडे पानी के नीचे वो एरिया को रखिए. सेकेंड, apply antiseptic cream on the burnt part. Then, if antiseptic cream is not available, apply a paste of baking soda and water. Okay kids, keep this in mind. You can also apply aloe vera gel. It is very good against third degree burn also. Okay, this was the first aid for minor burns. Now we will move ahead. Severe burns. Okay, in case of severe burns, take the patient immediately to the doctor. Do not waste time, do not do experiments at that time, and do not prick the blisters. If you will prick the blisters, infection can occur. Okay, and if suppose you have pricked the blisters, wash that area properly and then apply antiseptic cream or gel. Okay, see, like this. Take the patient immediately to the doctor. The third one is burns See children, this is how you wash the area if it is burnt under a cold running water. Very important, under a cold running water. Okay. Now children, the third one is chemical burns. When burn is caused by chemicals like acid. Suppose अगर आप पर acid गिर जाता है तो that is a chemical burn. Wash the affected area with plenty of water to remove the chemical. अभी आपको मैंने दिखाया है ना कि आपको कैसे उस एरिया को पानी से साफ करना चाहिए. With cold water, apply plenty of water. Okay, and then give first aid as for other burns. Okay, clear? Children, some animals like cats, monkeys and dogs, their saliva contains very harmful virus which can cause a very deadly disease to us. For example, rabies. The saliva of a dog contains virus of a disease known as rabies. When this dog will bite a boy, what will happen? This boy will also get rabies. Okay, so it is very important to give first aid in this case. So how you will give first aid? First you will wash the wound properly with soap as well as water so that the germs get away. Okay, it gets washed off. Second thing is that you will apply an antiseptic cream and then you will rush to the doctor. Then the doctor will give anti-rabies injection to the patient. Okay, clear? Now children, if a snake bites you, if a snake bites any other person, the snake contains venom, okay, and venom is very poisonous for us. It affects our blood and our heart. So, in case of snake bite, the first aid is you will wash the area properly, okay, where the snake has bite you. Then you will wrap a band-aid. Suppose a snake has bite me here, okay, then I will tightly, मैं यहाँ पर एक tight bandage बांध दूँगी. अगर snake ने यहाँ खाया है तो एकदम tight bandage यहाँ पे. क्यों? So that the blood does not move forward. Okay, then which is the third step? Yes, you will take the patient immediately to the doctor. Okay, then the doctor will give anti-venom injection. And our last topic, poisoning. Children, some things like detergents, naphthalene balls, medicines, they should be kept away from the reach of children. If children take them by mistake, what you should do? You should make them vomit as soon as possible. Okay, there are some medicines available for vomiting. Make them vomit as soon as possible, and second, call the doctor immediately. Okay? So children, today's our topic is finished. Now time for, yes, worksheet. So here it is. Name the disease caused by a dog bite. What should we apply on minor burns if antiseptic cream is not available? What is meant by fracture? What is first aid? What should you do to reduce swelling in case of sprains? Okay? So children, for today this was it. Study very, very well. May God bless you.